Welcome to another edition of Ask Appy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy Pie. Today's question comes from Susan from New Orleans, United States. And she runs a small charity and she wonders if she could create a website for her own charity or a non-government organization that she runs using Appy Pie's website builder. Yes, Susan, with Appy Pie's website builder, you can certainly create a website for your own charity. You could leverage the About Us page that we have in Appy Pie's website builder and talk about the charity, what your charity does, what's the charity details, what's the organization, NGO certificates that you have. You can basically publish in the About Us section. You can then add the donation feature that we have. I'm assuming, being a charity, one of the prime objectives for your charity is to accept donations. In the donation feature, we let you accept donations using PayPal or Stripe as your default payment gateways. And both these gateways are supported in the United States where your charity runs. However, if any other user who's actually creating a charity website and who are not in the United States, we support 10 to 12 other different payment gateways that would definitely work for your specific country as well. Also, on top of that, you could also use a testimonial and review section to add patron reviews. I'm assuming a lot of patrons who are supporting your charity must have given you a lot of good reviews and testimonials. You can actually showcase that in your website. You could also leverage the Contact Us feature, tell the details of your charity, where your charity is located, or if someone wants to hand deliver a goodie basket to the charity, they can come down and the website gets you turn-by-turn directions to the charity. You could also add the photo feature and take all the pictures that you have done doing the charity work and showcase it over there. So anyone who comes on your website can see the kind of work that you are doing, and if they want to get associated with it, they can then exactly know what kind of work that you're doing. You could also use the form builder to add a volunteer feature. So if someone wants to volunteer for your charity, they can use the form builder form that you guys have created and send in all the details, and they wish to volunteer for your charity. So you can get in their details and get in touch with them so they can volunteer for your charity as well. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media networks like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel below.